The A4M, American Academy of Anti-Aging Medicine, created the new specialty of anti-aging medicine in 1992. To date, it has trained over 100,000 physicians in the science of anti-aging and regenerative medicine. The anti-aging marketplace is currently valued at over $96 billion. It's growing at an annual rate of 8.9% and is expected to exceed $115 billion annually by 2011. Pharmaceuticals that treat age-related diseases make up the lion's share of this marketplace. In fact, spending within the pharmaceutical sector outpaces all other anti-aging sectors combined. Pharmaceuticals account for about 63% of all money spent on anti-aging. That's nearly $70 billion spent on anti-aging pharmaceuticals this year alone. The best way to reach the anti-aging physicians who write those prescriptions is through the A4M. With over 22,000 members from more than 100 countries worldwide, the A4M is the largest physician-based anti-aging organization in the world. Nearly 90% of our membership base are physicians with practices in the fields of general medicine, cardiology, endocrinology, internal medicine, and others. A4M physicians write a wide variety of prescription products for health conditions such as hormone deficiencies, diabetes, heart health, weight loss, joint and bone health, sexual health, mood disorders, including depression, and more. Each year, physicians from around the world attend A4M conferences to learn about the latest breakthroughs in anti-aging and regenerative medicine. This year, the A4M will co-host and co-sponsor 17 international conferences with more than 65,000 attendees. These conferences provide physicians continuing education and hands-on workshop opportunities, as well as a chance to visit with hundreds of the industry's leading companies. If you're a vendor, these conferences deliver the A-list of anti-aging physicians from around the world. It's a unique opportunity to meet one-on-one with open-minded, forward-thinking doctors who are actively seeking the latest treatment modalities to best serve their patients.
The physicians and the practitioners you meet at these conferences are among the leading edge of the industry. They're much more adept and much more apt at adopting new practices and new products for inclusion in their medical practices.
We think that this is one of the best organizations for anti-aging medicine that exists in the country today. We have been at every convention of the A4M, and we have been extremely satisfied with the response that we've received. It's a marvelous organization, and it's been a marvelous business development process for us.
We've been coming to the A4M conferences for the last 5-6 years now, and the conferences, in my opinion, have been going from strength to strength to strength. They would definitely be the leaders in this area, and we're getting the exposure, and we wouldn't miss it for the world.
There are a lot of physicians here. There's more MDs than I would have suspected.
The quality of the people that came to our stand and to the conference as a whole, I think, was very high. We're talking chiefly of doctors. I met people from Turkey, from Russia, from Switzerland, Austria.
If you're not here at this conference, you're really missing out. We are absolutely elated and honored to be part of the A4M. We find that this organization has as its mission the heart and the passion that is seen in no other organization to reach out to the people and to the physicians to reverse as well as slow down their aging process. And the A4M is the primary force behind this new movement in the medical field.
I have been in practice for the last 20 years. I have been attending the meetings twice a year for the last 8 years. And obviously that by itself tells you something, tells you that how impressed I am with this organization.
I find the doctors and the participants here to be on the cutting edge of science in the sense that they're looking for the best scientific evidence with which to treat their patients and keeping their mind open to all possibilities, and that's what we're all here for.
As I investigated the markets, found that this was definitely a group of physicians that understood the importance of testosterone replacement and dovetail nicely into our already existing demographics for auxiliary pharmaceuticals.
And the physicians that you've spoken with here, what's been the reaction?
Oh, they're very excited to see us here. They're very now aware that we actually have the product available and different tools that they can use within their practice. So it's been an overall excellent opportunity for Auxilium and hopefully for the physicians here as well.
And would you recommend to other pharmaceutical companies to investigate this conference?
Absolutely. What I'm seeing with this group of physicians is a very forward-thinking group of physicians who are very interested in the not just length of time a patient's alive, but the quality of that life while they're alive. So I think it's very important for the pharmaceutical industry to look into this area and be a part of it.
Let the A4M help you launch or brand your pharmaceutical products to the largest physician-based anti-aging organization in the world. To learn more about exhibitor and sponsorship opportunities, contact Doreen Brown, Vice President of New Development for the A4M.